We absolutely love to cook, but one of the biggest problems is keeping this clean. Windex doesn't work, normal paper towels. We've tried pretty much everything. So we're going to try this now. This is by STEAMIFY. They sent me this to do this review for you guys. So we're gonna see if it can clean this. So this is what it looks like right here. This is it. You just read the directions. You fill this with water basically. They give you the cup, everything you need in a funnel, fill that up, turn it on, and then when that light goes off, we're ready to go. You get all these different attachments as well. So let's see how this goes. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this button down just like that, and steam is going to start to come out down there. As you can kind of see it just like that. We're going back and forth just like that. I'm gonna go do this and then show you the final result. You can see just right here, it did an amazing job getting this clean. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to use all the other different features. This looks like basically brand new, basically just wiped it with a paper towel. So if you're looking for a great way to kind of clean your stovetop or a lot of other different things, definitely give this a try, and a big thank you to the brand for sending me this to try.